This is what everyone thinks of when they hear tuned vocals. But MetaTune isn't just about that robotic pop sound. Whether you're after subtle pitch correction or a full-blown robo effect, it all starts with a great vocal tuner, and we've got the best one around. Here's a raw vocal.
'Cause when I was drowning, I was calling for you.
And now with MetaTune.
'Cause when I was drowning, I was calling for you.
First up, retune speed. This controls how quickly a note locks in. A fast setting gives you that modern, snappy sound.
'Cause when I was drowning, I was calling for you. When I was drowning, I was calling for you.
While a slower speed sounds way more natural, perfect for singer-songwriter or R&B styles.
'Cause when I was drowning, I was calling for you.
Notice how at the end the note was still pitchy. I'm gonna bring the retune speed back up just enough to correct it, but still feel natural.
'Cause when I was drowning, I was calling for you.
Both are great depending on what you're going for with the performance and genre. Now let's talk doubling. This feature layers your vocal with slight variations in timing, pitch, and panning. This is great for instantly thickening your vocals. You can simply drag the slider for more width and to change the dry wet.
'Cause when I was drowning, I was calling for you. When I was drowning, I was calling for you. When I was drowning, I was calling for you.
I love to put this on doubles or harmonies when the chorus comes in, as they complement the vocal and help create a bigger sound.
'Cause when I was drowning, I was calling for you. When I was drowning, I was calling for you. When I was drowning, I was calling for you. When I was drowning, I was calling for you. Beat me the waves.
Whether you want to clean up pitch or go full robot, MetaTune has you covered. Try it out and follow for more Sound Lab weekly tips and tricks.